Good morning, Franklin High School. It's a reminder to juniors that tomorrow, Wednesday, is the last day to sign up for the PSAT on January 26th. So go to the FHS website and sign up for the PSAT.
Tomorrow, current 9th through 11th graders is the FHS Virtual Open House. So please make sure you see the schedule that was posted in Schoology last week. I'll also post it tomorrow morning. Go out there and visit our great teachers and programs that we have out there.
So there's a lot going on tomorrow, but on Friday there's an environmental club meeting. So the environmental club meets with Ms. Shovstool, cshovstool at bcps.org if you want more information. Everyone is welcome to join the environmental club.
Current 11th and 12th graders, make sure you come out today from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. with your device and your ID. If you do not have it, make sure you put your name with your user ID on tape on the device. Tomorrow, all students in the high school, if you didn't do it, make sure you come tomorrow to get your device swapped. Directions will follow in Schoology tonight.
That is correct. Also, speaking of following, in a moment you'll see an advertisement from some of the junior class officers because they're having a junior ring ceremony in April. But you can't come to the junior ring ceremony unless you order a ring. So, order a ring.
Congratulations on your Ravens win last night.
Thank you.
Where did Lamar Jackson go?
Into the locker room.
Okay.
But then he came back.
Yep.
Have a great day, everybody.
Take care, everybody.
Students of the class of 2022 can now purchase rings. This is a great way to commemorate your time in high school, especially since we are out of the school building. This round of ring sales will run from now through December 22nd. To buy your ring, visit the links on our social media pages. After this sale period, rings will be available once again in January.
Did you know that you can also customize your ring? That's right, you can add birthstones, letters, names, or any pictures that you want. It's all up to you. And at checkout, you can have the choice of a free Franklin hoodie, earbuds, or backpack.
All orders will be shipped directly to Franklin High. And to make everything more safe, convenient, and efficient for you, we've set up a curbside pickup. Now, it's estimated that rings will be delivered by mid-March. And to make sure you don't miss out on anything, in April, we've set up a virtual ring ceremony. Now, the holidays are a perfect time to buy your rings. So make sure you go and get them so you always have a piece of your high school experience with you.